Hello, this video is going to show how to add a reference field to a form. On this form, we already have a reference field displaying based on the group table. It does a lookup on sys_user_group. We can go to Configure, Form Design. From the field type, select Reference and drag it over like you would any other field type. Edit it to give a label and a name. And select the table from which you want to get information. In this case, it will be sys_user. We're going to add a list of users. And click Save. Going back to our record, you can reload the form. We see the new field. When we click on it, we see it shows all the users in the system that match the criteria we had, which was really unlimited on this table. However, it has no dependency or relation to this field. If I select application development, I still get the same list of users in the user field. So if we want to make this field dependent on what we select for group here, let's go to Configure Table. Call up the field that we added, which is u_user. Open it up to edit it. First of all, looking down here, this reference specification tab, we see it's just set up to be a simple reference qualifier. And we have no additional qualifications added to this, just calling up all the records on this table that it finds. We could, to make sure for one thing that we only get active users, we could add this qualifier right here. But to make it dependent on the other field, what we need to do is come over to the Dependent Field tab here and add the name of that other field, which in this particular case was u_group. Let's update this record. Then going back to our example request, now if we select application development and then select the user, we see we get a list of 5 users, the only 5 users that are in that particular group, which is what we wanted to do. Thank you for watching this video.